Hello, first graders. It is time for Pathways Phonics. So please get out your Screech and Me spelling book. And we're on lesson 3 this week. Yesterday we did lesson 3, day 3. So today we are on lesson 3, day 4. So you should be on page 31 in your spelling book. Pause the video so that you can find page 31. And let's start at the top. And you are going to lasso the matching words. That means circle. So look at that cowboy. He has a lasso. That's just a rope. And he uses that lasso to catch the cows. And so we're going to catch the Screech words that are spelled correctly. So the first Screech word, what's this word? Have. And they spelled the word have the right way. So let's circle it. H-A-V-E. Let's look at this next word. Did they spell it right? H-A-V-E. Yes or no? Yes, let's circle it. Let's look at the next one. H-A-V-E. And let's look at the last one. H-A-V. They were so close, weren't they? But what did they forget to put at the end? The E. So we wrote it for them. And then in that last box, we're going to write the word. H-A-V-E. And think about those letters in your mind. Now do the same thing for this Screech word right here. This Screech word is from. Look at the words, see if they circled it right or not. If they did, circle it. If they did not, cross it out. When you get down here, write the word in the box. Now let's look at this story that's in the middle. We are going to read this story, and then we are going to color it says cheater words. I just call those Screech words yellow. So Miss Smith's going to get her a yellow marker. You get you a yellow crayon or a yellow color pencil, please. And let's read the story. And we're looking for the words have and the word from. Have will be in there 4 times. From will be in there 3 times. You ready? I have a black cat. You know what? I already see one of those Screech words. Which Screech word did you see? Have. I'm just going to color it. So there's 4, and we already found 1, so there's 3 more halves left. I got him from my pal. There's the word from. My pal said a black cat is bad luck. I have not had bad luck, but my pal had bad luck. My pal got sick from his pet frog. Then he got a bump on his leg from a bad bug. I have a black cat, but I don't have bad luck. My cat's name is Lucky. So Miss Smith read the story for you. So now your job is to find the word have 3 more times, find the word from 2 more times, and color it yellow, okay? When you finish, you are going to look right here, and it says my picture of the story. So think about the most important thing that happened in the story and draw a picture of it. And at the bottom it says this story is about, just try to think about the main idea of the story. And when I say main idea, and I'm talking about a fiction story, it just means like who the main character is and what's the most important thing that they did. So the story was all about, it was the I, so all about you, or the character, and you get to figure out what's the most important thing that happened, okay? So draw a picture and write what the story was about, just like 1 or 2 sentences. Don't just copy the words from up here. I saw some people doing that last week. You're not just copying the words, you're just telling me in your own words what's the story was about. When you finish with page 31, turn to page 32. And on page 32, there are 4 words. A, B, C, and D. Let me cover up so I don't get distracted. Okay, which one of these is the right way to spell the word from? So I can look up here to see the word from. F-R-O-M. F-R-O-M. No, that one has an E at the end. It's not it. F-O-M. For they forgot the R. F-R-U-M. See, that is how some people might think how to spell it. And they might circle C as the answer. But remember, Screech told us that there's no U in the word from. Even though it sounds like umbrella, it's not a U. It's a Screech word because it has the letter O. So that's the right way to spell from. And then come over here for number 1 and write the word from. Okay? So look at the 4 words and find the word that is spelled correctly. What are they trying to spell here? H-E-V-E. Well, all I have to do is look at the 4 choices and find the one that is one of our spelling words for the week. This is not one of our spelling words up here. Let's cross that out. H-A-E. You know, I think they're trying to spell the word have. There's no E in the middle of have. What? Remember, Screech said there's an E at the end of the word have. So, there it is. Okay. I wonder which spelling word they were trying to spell on this one. Look at the top to see all of your spelling words. Circle the spelling word that is spelled correctly and write it on the line over here. When you finish, take a picture of page 31 and of page 32 and upload it to Seesaw. You know what, you guys? You are almost ready for the spelling test tomorrow. Don't forget tomorrow to go on to Seesaw and you are going to do the spelling test, okay? And so on the spelling test, the first thing you need to do is make sure that you have practiced the words a lot. And when you're ready on Friday, then you can go. So it looks like this, okay? And so this will be open on November the 6th. So you'll listen to Miss Smith.
Listen to Miss Smith say the word, and I'll say it in a sentence. Write the word on the line next to the number. Number 1, him. Him. Please ask him where his mom is. Him.
So that's what I would pause the video and I would write the word him on the line. I'd say the sounds im. I would write the H, write the I, and write the M. Okay? So I just have to write the word, not the whole sentence. And try to write it neatly in the lines. If you want to type it, that's fine. Okay? And then when you go to the second page, don't forget to do the second page, the 2 Screech words, and then I'll have you write a sentence. For the sentence, actually use the drawing tool, okay? Use the drawing tool to write the sentence, not type it. Because I want to see you writing the sentence neatly using correct spaces and capital letters at the beginning and end marks at the end. Okay? All right, first graders, I cannot wait to see your work today on Seesaw. Bye.